Hardware manufacturer, Corsair, has this week announced the immediate availability of a new version of its award-winning Corsair One small form-factor gaming PC, in the form of the Corsair One Elite. The new gaming mini PC is now equipped with the latest 8th generation Intel Core i7-8700K 6-core processor, and is equipped with 6 liquid-cooled CPU cores, running at up to 4.2 GHz, supported by 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 2666 MHz RAM, together with the liquid-cooled NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080Ti graphics card. Storage on the small form-factor mini PC takes the form of a high-speed 480 GB M2 NVMe SSD, a 2 TB hard disk drive, which is powered by a Corsair SF500 PSU, and cooled by the magnetic levitation-bearing Corsair MIL-140 cooling fan. The front I/O panel includes a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A port, and HDMI 2.0 VR port. Also launching today is the Corsair One Pro Plus, equipped with 8th generation Intel Core i7-8700K CPU, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080Ti graphics supported by 16 GB of DDR4-2400 MHz memory. This mini PC is fitted with the same 480 GB NVMe SSD, 2 TB hard disk drive, and patented assisted convection cooling as the Corsair One Elite.